Hi, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nur Shamimi binti Hairul Azan and my metric number is 10 DPM F1002. My group chose a product called InstaView Refrigerator LG Note Twice C Inside. So, I will tell about the characteristic, features, benefit and how the product can solve a problem faced by the customers. The first thing I will tell you about the characteristic of the size of this refrigerator. Its capacity size is 668 liters. The dimensions product is width is 912 mm. Height is 1090 mm and diameter is 738 mm. As we have seen, on the side is an example of refrigerator size measurement. This product has a large area that makes it easy for users to store items in the refrigerator. Since there are 4 doors, that means more space is available to store the food. The most interesting is that there is a portable shelf and also an extra compartment in it. The second thing is that this product feature comes with a Wi-Fi connection known as Smart ThinQ. This refrigerator product is equipped with ThinQ Smart technology that allow us to control the temperature using a smartphone, in line with current technological advance, so everything at your fingertips. It can also make it easier for users to check and adjust the temperature. In fact, not only that, if the user forget to close the refrigerator door or the refrigerator door is not closed, the users can find out from the warning sound produced by the smartphone. The third thing is the cost-effective benefit. Refrigerators are one of the best cost-saving home appliances and have now become an indispensable necessity. Although the price is very expensive, but there are many benefits that we can get. The market price of the refrigerator is 6,999 ringgit. Many advantages can be obtained by consumers such as having a slim space ice maker and Pure and Fresh. Pure and Fresh work as an odor filter system that will definitely make the food inside look fresh. This refrigerator also have 10-year warranty. So it is not in vain that consumers get this refrigerator. The last thing is how the product solve a problem faced by the customers, which is the product is equipped with multi-door 4 doors. It can also save electricity because each door has a special space or compartment, unlike a conventional refrigerator which only has 1 or 2 doors. Interestingly, there is one door that allows us to see the contents in the refrigerator just by knocking on the door mirror 2 times. Users also do not need to open the refrigerator door, just need to knock twice to see inside. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Hi to everyone, I'm Madam Sri. My name is Nur Natasha binti Muhammad Shukri and my metric is 10 DPM to 1F1037. My group members and I want to talk about InstaView Refrigerator LG Note Twice C Inside. First, the characteristic of refrigerator is color. There are many color but not really how much the color, but mostly many people like both color platinum silver. Then the features has organization drawers. Each drawers can put things as like the drawers at the making ice cube, collect and ice cube when it is finished making as ice. Next, benefits that appeal to your customers' food preservation. This is one of the most notable benefits offered by refrigerators, all of kinds. It helps in keeping our and other edibles safe so that they can be put to use some other day. It also prevents the food from getting spoiled and waste. Refrigerators are not just to let us preserve cooked food, but also raw vegetables, fruits, spices, and so many other things. For getting refrigerator, you can visit any online store of supermarket or anywhere selling product electronic. After that, the way can solve a problem faced by the customers if freezer is not cool enough. Is your perishable food spoiling quickly, or are you just noticing that your freezer is not frozen as it should be? This is a common problem that is usually easy to fix. If you notice this problem in your freezer unit, check if the back wall of the freezer is cold. If it is so cold, check if you can hear the evaporator fan running or if you can feel air flowing from the freezer vents. If you can, then it is most likely a problem concerning the freezer evaporator fan. If you can feel the air flowing and hear the fan running, you should check on the refrigerator's compressor. Clean any dust that could be preventing air from moving across the coast. If your condenser coils are clean, it may be time to invest in the spiffy French door refrigerators you have had eye on. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Greeting, madam. I am Nodiana Atira binti Muhammad Jasmi and my matric number is 10DPM21F1070. I will continue our presentation about refrigerator. The characteristic of refrigerator based on material used is that the inner cabinet made of a sheet of metal like an outer cabinet or a plastic. Besides, the insulation that fills the gap between the inner and outer cabinets consists of fiberglass or polyfoam. Next, the refrigerator uses the components of the cooling system such as compressor, condenser, strainer, coils, and fins that are made of aluminium, copper, or an alloy. It also uses a sleek mirror glass panel that illuminates with 2 quick knocks. Next, I will talk about our refrigerator features. Every refrigerator has their own unique attributes or something important. The uniqueness of our refrigerator is energy efficiency. We use the Energy Star model because this model is lined with an hinged gasket that closes tightly when your refrigerator is not overrun. In addition, our refrigerator also offers a high performance feature such as high efficiency compressor that create less heat and use less energy. And then improve insulation that help food stay cold and temperature, and defrost mechanism that help refrigerator operate more efficiently. As consumer, we must to choose a refrigerator that has the Energy Star logo to avoid the additional occurrence of your utility bills. Okay, next, the benefit you will get from our refrigerator is that it can be customized according to your requirements, taste, and other criteria. Besides, we can get it paint in the color of your choice. We can also set the temperature according to your comfort, and we will make sure that you are satisfied with our refrigerator. Furthermore, you can customize the drawer style refrigerator that make it better for families who need to keep their stock or they have a child who need to access frozen snack after school. Finally, I will talk about how the product can solve a problem faced by the customer. The problem faced by the customer is the food freezer. The freezer is meant to freeze food, while the fresh food compartment should keep the food cool. But If you see ice crystal in food, keep in the fresh food compartment in order of likelihood, this might be the problem. Number 1. Temperature control thermostat. If the temperature control thermostat is not working properly, it may cause the refrigerant system to run longer than necessary, and the refrigerator will be too cold. You need to check at the lower setting, and if this is still happening, you can call us for help. Number 2. Thermistor. If the thermistor is defective, the compressor and evaporator fan may run too frequently, and the refrigerator will be too cool. This may need you to replace it. Number 3. Temperature control board. If the control board is faulty, it may send continuous voltage to the compressor or fan motor. A repairman can diagnose this problem and fix it. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi madam, my name is Nur Rehana binti Muhammad Anas and my matric number 10 DPM21 F1085. Today, we would like to talk about the product we choose. The product we choose is a refrigerator. Refrigerator is an appliance or compartment which is artificially kept cool and used to store food and drinks. Modern refrigerator generally make use of the cooling effect produced when volatile liquid is forced to evaporate in a sealed system, which it can be condensed back to liquid outside the refrigerator. Then, refrigerator is an essential food storage technique around the world. The lower temperature lower the reproduction of the bacteria. So, the refrigerator reduces the rate of spoilage. Now, I would like to talk about the characteristic of the refrigerator. Firstly, one of the characteristics of the refrigerator is the shape. The shape of the refrigerator we choose is rectangular. Rectangular shape provides a compact size for refrigerator, so it will easily fit in a limited space. At the same time, the storage food space inside the fridge is extremely generous, which is great. Secondly, the feature of the refrigerator. One of the features is automatic temperature control. Nothing is more disheartening than spoiled berries and wilted herbs not even a week after you went shopping. To put an end to the despair, many refrigerators are engineered with preset temperature controls that automatically balance both temperature and humidity, effectively removing the guesswork from food storage. Then, in order to keep food fresh, a low temperature must be maintained in the immediate environment to reduce the reproduction rate of harmful bacteria. Other than that, a refrigerator works to transfer heat from inside to outside, which is why it feels warm if you put your hand on the backside of your fridge near the metal pipes. Thirdly, the values that appeal to the customer is cooling. Refrigerator provide cooling which is necessary to keep our food fresh and safe. In summer season, refrigerator also keep our water and other drinks cool so that we can enjoy drinking them to the best. Then, it also have freezer which let us freeze water into ice, which can be used for many other purposes. Then, this is another noteworthy benefit offered by all refrigerators to customers, such as we buy food and keep it out for a long time, and when arrive at home, we can keep that food cooling in the refrigerator to avoid that food becomes spoiled. Finally, the one I want to talk about is the problem that faced by the customer can solve by they can store raw materials such as meat, chicken and fish in the freezer so that the raw materials are durable. Buying meat is often expensive, so when you do pick some up for a receipt, you don't want any to go to waste. In order to ensure it stay fresh, there are a lot of food safety factors to keep in mind. Store it safely in the refrigerator or freezer before you cook it. You can keep your kitchen well stocked for days, weeks, and even months to come. That's all from me. Thank you.